Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate-covered Parmigiano Reggiano. I absolutely love Parmesan cheese more than anything in the entire world almost. Well, I guess compared to chocolate. So here is a great way to combine Parmesan and chocolate in a delicious appetizer that also goes well with your favorite wine for dessert. To get started, I'm going to get some of my favorite Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm going to cut it in little slices, but not too little because I want to make sure there's enough surface area to get the chocolate on. So I'm going to cut this in about 1-inch squares. Okay. Now I'm just going to use a bamboo skewer right through the cheese. And now it's ready to dip in chocolate. Today I'm just using some melted chocolate chips. That probably works the best for coating anything in chocolate because once it cools, it hardens to that perfect hard chocolate consistency. So now I'm just going to dip my Parmesan in the chocolate, and I'm going to use this little fork to get it around the sides. This is such a fun appetizer, goes really well for dessert, and people aren't going to really know what to think at all because who really puts chocolate and Parmesan together? But once they try it, they're absolutely going to love it. Now you just need to let it harden at room temperature for about an hour. If you want to speed the process along, it's just going to take a couple minutes in the fridge. This is Mariko showing you how to make chocolate-covered Parmigiano Reggiano. Enjoy!